Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A silk beige MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch. Our GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of clean floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system, a eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got a push start ignition, steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLE has 36,777 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmannimports.com.